Dahil mo ingon, te.
Salamat, anak. Hindi. O, isa pa, unsa man to nga passage gahapon? Unsa man to nga Bible passage?
Oh, the
Psalm?
Psalms 9, no, Psalms 1. I know Psalms
Psalm 19 verse 1.
Psalm?
Psalm 97,
Psalm 19.
verse 7 declares the glory of God,
Mm.
and the sky above the wind.
His handiwork. Okay, Psalm 19, di ba? So that's why, definition ana, meaning the heavens declare the glory of God, and the sky proclaims His handiwork. That taught us something, that there is a Creator. And who is the Creator? God. The Creator alone is God. Ito atong gibasa kina ang Genesis chapter 1,